Good morning, 5th class children. We have completed volume 1 syllabus, children. Now today I am going to revise 1 and 2 chapters for FA1 exams, children. Now open your course book, children. Open course book, first chapter, shapes and angles. Sekhar has planned to go to a movie in the evening. After coming from school, he looked at the clock many times for different reasons. When he reached home, it was 4 o'clock. He had a snack and went out to play with his friends at 5 o'clock. His father came home at 6 o'clock. They reached the movie theater at 7 o'clock. The show started at 7:30 p.m. Look here. After looking at the clock so many times, he understood that the hands of the clock changed positions from time to time. So this is 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. The angle between these two hands are changing. 6, 7, 7:30. He also understood that the hands of the clock made different angles at different timings. Angles in objects around us. Let us now observe the angles formed in some objects around us. Look here. This is one angle and this is one angle. Tables are also make angles at the corners of the table. Hands, elbow also make an angle. Door. So an angle is formed when two lines or things or objects meet at a common point. So angles formed when two lines or things or objects meet at a common point. Look here. These two, pen and pencil, are parallel to each other. So here no angle is forming. But here, some angle is formed. Look at the angles formed here. Look. Between the pages, photo frames, tablet, benches, desk. So angles are formed between a bench and its legs and a desk and its legs. An angle is formed between the pages of a book. Angles are formed between the sides of a photo frame. Angles are formed along the edges of a tablet computer. So, is there any unit of measure for angles? Yes, angles are measured in degrees. Now let us learn about their measures. So angles are formed when two lines or things or objects meet at a common point. So angles are formed here. And the units for angles is degrees. So we measure that in degrees. Observe the angles formed in the following English letters. Look here. The angles formed in these letters are right angles. These angles are right angles. The measure of a right angle is 90 degrees. The measure of a right angle is 90 degrees. We write it as 90 degrees. This is the degree symbol. Let us see some more objects in our day-to-day life with right angles. So doors. The door has rectangles and squares in its pattern. Observe the right angles in each corner of the squares and rectangles. Next, observe the right angles between the steps. The corners of the steps have right angles. Observe the right angles in the football goal post. Here. Look at the right angle between the hands of a clock at 9 o'clock. The angle between the short hand and the long hand is right angle. Next, see different types of angles, children. Here, two pencils are placed one upon the other, so no angle is formed. So, the two pencils are parallel to each other, so here no angle is formed. The angle formed between them is 0 degrees angle. This is 0 degrees angle. Next one. Here the angle formed between the two pencils is greater than 0 but less than a right angle. Such angles is called an acute angle. So acute angle means less than 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees and more than 0 degrees. Less than 90 degrees and more than 90 degrees. These angles are acute angles. Next, the angle formed between the two pencils here is 180 degrees. The angle formed between the two pencils is 180 degrees here, which is greater than right angle. Such an angle is called a straight angle. This is more than right angle. Next one. The angle formed between the two pencils is greater than a right angle and less than 180 degrees. Such an angle is called obtuse angle. So here this angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Greater than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. These angles are obtuse angle. And greater than 0 degrees, less than 90 degrees. These angles are acute angles. Exactly 180 degrees angle is straight angle. And exactly 90 degrees angle is 90 degrees, like this. One straight line and one horizontal line meeting point make a right angle. So this angle is exactly 90 degrees angle, right angle. Okay children, this is about the types of angles. 0 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle, less than 90 degrees, more than 0 degrees. Acute angle, 180 degrees angle, straight angle and more than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees angle, obtuse angle. Look here children, shapes, next one. So this is a cube, this is the net form of cube shape. So how many faces a cube has? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. A cube has 6 faces. Each one is a square. Each face is a square. Next, this is a cuboid. Cuboid also has 6 faces, but all faces are not equal. The shape of cuboid face is a rectangle. These are the examples of nets of cubes. And these are the examples of nets of cuboid. Next, shadows of objects. These are the shadows. Next concept is circle children. Look here, this is a circle. While playing with her friends, Shreya drew circles with a bangle, with a 2 rupee coin and also with a bottle cap. She noticed that all of them had the same shape. She marked the center of the bigger circle and also marked 2 points A and B. Look here, this is the center and these are the 2 points on the circle A and B. She drew a line AB in the circle through the center O. She joined A and B points. She measured the length of the line AB. It was 6 centimeters long. What is the length of this line? 6 centimeters. Then she measured the lengths of lines OA and OB. So from O to A and O to B, she measured separately. She noticed that OA and OB are of the same length, 3 centimeters each. The line AB is called diameter of the circle. So here OA and OB both are 3 centimeters length. And the total length of AB is 6 centimeters. So here the center point is exactly dividing the AB line. Equally dividing. So here this AB line is called diameter of the circle. The diameter of a circle is a straight line passing through the center of the circle, connecting any 2 points on its boundary. So the diameter of a circle is a straight line passing through the center of the circle. This is a straight line passing through the center of the circle, connecting any 2 points on its boundary. And OA is called radius of the circle. OA, OB, these are called radius of the circle. So here AB is the diameter, OA and OB are the radius. A radius of a circle is half of the circle's diameter. Radius of the circle is half of the length of the diameter. OA equal to OB and AB equal to 2 into OA or 2 into OB. Means here diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. The last concept, children, tangram. Tangram is a Chinese puzzle. Let us see a tangram with 7 pieces and another with 5 pieces. A tangram has 7 pieces or 5 pieces. Cut a chart paper into 7 pieces and make different shapes with them. Let us see some shapes made with 7 pieces of a tangram. So these are the pieces, different shapes, and they made different shapes with those 7 pieces of shapes. And the next one, cut a chart paper into 5 pieces as shown in the picture below. Look, large triangle, parallelogram, 2 small triangles and square. By using these, here a square is formed, big square is formed. Next, tiles. You have seen pieces of a puzzle in different sizes. If all the pieces are of same size and shape, we can make patterns with the pieces. Look at the designs of different floors using tiles. These are the different styles of tiles, different designs of tiles. Okay, children. First chapter is completed in the course book, children. In the next video, we will discuss about the first chapter in workbook, children.